Internet technologies, practical social networking. Before you can start using social networks, you first have to create a profile on a social networking site. The networking site that we are going to use is Facebook. In the URL, type www.facebook.com. And because we don't have an existing profile yet, we have to sign up for one. Enter your first name. Add your email. Re-enter the email. And choose a password. Choose your birthday. Choose whether you are female or male. And click on Sign Up. There are several steps to complete while you are creating your profile. If you already have friends on Facebook, you can go and locate them through your email address. We are not going to do that. We are going to skip this step. Now we are at step 2. You can fill out your profile info, such as your hometown, your high school, your current city, college, university, or employer. This would allow other people to locate you easily. Now we are at step 3, where you can choose your interests. You can add this to your news feed so that you can get updates automatically. There are many interests that you can choose from. Step 4 allows you to add a profile picture. You can upload a photo or you can take a photo with your webcam. You have now created a Facebook profile, but you have to go to your email to complete the sign up process. After you've completed the sign up process, you are allowed to find friends, take a tour, and add anything to your profile.